We're gathered here today. It is the perfect setting for us to celebrate the love and commitment between Kevin and Laney.
Laney, you were always there for me and you always pushed me to be better. And without you, I would not be the person that I am here today. So thank you so much for that. Sometimes I call you Lenny, but from this point forward, I get to call you my wife. I love you.
But please know that every time I give you a gift or do something for you, it's because I love you. And that's just my love language coming through. I'm here because I love you and I will always stand by you. I vow to support you in your goals and I look forward to growing old and raising many children and animals together.
Laney, do you take Kevin to be your husband? Promising to stand by her with love. Promising to stand by him with love, faithfulness, and support. Through good times and tough times, in health and in challenge, for all the days you share together.
I do.
I do.
So now, by the power of your love and commitment, and by the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kevin, you may kiss the bride.
I'm here to tell you that's all true. Laney really is the perfect sister, daughter, and now wife. Need someone to babysit your kids? Lenny's perfect for that. She loves children. And finally, I'd like to thank our parents for giving birth to me first. I didn't have to grow up constantly being compared to Lenny.
When Kevin met Laney, it wasn't just about timing. It was about inevitability. It's about something that had to happen. No matter what, it had to happen. Because in every version of our life, this universe, every version of the story, they're gonna find each other, no matter what. The man who figured it out, and Laney, the one he would always find. In every story, in every lifetime, again and again. It's Kevin and Laney.